YouTube. Welcome back, guys, and happy Monday. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme Spring Summer Season 2018, which was dropped on May 31st. This is week number 15. I got this red Martin Luther King's red tea. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh my god. So I always get this nice Supreme shopping bag, right? It's kind of wrinkled up, but anyway, let's go ahead and take this out. Wow, nice. I got, wow, only the t-shirt. I got like how many? I got a free pin. Wow. Don't Let the Dream Die, 1963 to 2018. Alright, and this time I got like, damn, $2 logo sticker, BOGO, and another Martin Luther King sticker. Wow, this is the most free item I get with the one purchase. That's nice. Each of these stickers costs about $5 from Supreme. And here is the Dream Tea. As you can see, this is the original product right there. That's the barcode. This is the red color, and then the size medium. Spring Summer Season 2018 right here. And there you go. Supreme pre-strung, 100% cotton, made in the USA. So let's go ahead and check this out, guys. Oh, there is the MLK button. I forgot to show you guys the barcode. It says red. It's like a sticker. There you go, guys. So there is a front. On the left of the chest area, you got the button logo. Wow. Look at the bag, so gigantic. All right, there you go. This is Martin Luther King's red tea, the Dream Tea. Let's go check out the inside label. Somehow this material is getting soft now, because last time I compared the quality, it was kind of rough. So I guess Supreme is watching my channel. They try to correct it now. Unfortunately, there is no Supreme or any of the decal that's on the inside of the shirt. Oh, wow, look at these. So this shirt, they don't have a cut opening on the side. So this is all one piece. And on the other side is all one piece too. So, wow. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing for this Dream Tea red color. Please be sure to like the video and then give a thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on your bell for notification, so you guys won't miss out any of the unboxing tutorial or anything like that. Alright, please share this with your friend and family on social media and drop in your comments below. And leave a comment to see what you guys cop on week number 15 with the Supreme. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.